Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today we have a lecture 25 of ICT A to Z beginner series. In this lecture I'm going to show you the example of Judas Swing in a gold 5-minute time frame. So make sure you watch this video till end, because in this video I'm going to show you another important thing of a Judas Swing that we did not mention on the previous two videos. So make sure you watch this video till end. Alright, so basically I explained you the Judas Swing time frames for Forex and commodities, like 12 a.m. New York time at a midnight open and till 8:30 a.m. New York time. For indices, 9:30 a.m. New York time. Okay, so after the liquidity can be happen before 8:30 and after 8:30, and for indices before 9:30 or after 9:30. But your entry should be after 8:30 and for indices should be after 9:30. Okay, so basically what happened in our Judas Swing, basically, so for example this first line is 12 midnight and this 8:30, okay, or 9:30. If we are a bearish structure, you will see a Judas Swing after 8:30 or before 8:30. You will see a fake move to the upside, and then you will see a market structure shift with displacement. You will find a fair value gap or any PY, and you will direct your trade. So basically these move above the liquidity area is a fake move that considered is a Judas Swing. Okay, so what happened? You did not get these things in the market. So ICT said, this is the point you should write down. ICT said, if you didn't find this type of thing, you will consider the 8:30 opening as a Judas Swing. What does it mean by that? You will mark out the 8:30, and before 8:30, if there was any swing high, swing low, it can be taken out. Okay, if the market is bearish, you will see most of the time that price will go against the 8:30 opening and then give you a reaction and get a fair value gap. Then you can enter from that trade as well, because sometime price did not give you a fake Judas Swing, because Judas Swing is also for a day and Judas Swing also for a session as well. Okay, so I will explain you more laterly in the coming video. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so here in this example, if you know my previous videos, as you know, for a beginner Judas Swing, what was that? We will mark out our 12 a.m. to 8:30 high and low, right? And if we sweep this low, we will target upside. If we sweep upside, then we will target downside. But if we didn't get this type of thing, what will we do? We will simply mark out the 8:30 opening, and if we are a bearish structure, most likely we will get a violation of 8:30 opening, and will take this liquidity, these relative equals highs. Okay, and then we will see a huge reaction downside, a market structure shift violating this swing low and give us a fair value gap. Price come to this consecutive approachment and give you a great reaction, right? So you have to practice on this thing before you put your money live on this market. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. In the coming video, I will explain you more in Judas Swing. I will show you example on different market. So make sure you join our Telegram channel, where I give you a free signal on my basis, on my strategy, not by ICT, not by SMC, or not by another. So make sure you join that one, because after ICT, I will explaining you my strategy. All right. So if you want to know a good broker, also I put the link in the description below, and a good pro firm where I got a payouts in the description. Okay, so until next time, be safe.